everyone, it's Friday and you know what that means. It's now time for our bold review dito sa Fridays with Viva Max only on Harriet. And today we are going to be reviewing not one, not two, but three exclusive stories dito sa pinakabagong pelikula ng Viva Max na kung tawagin ay X. So yeah, this is Yen Dorano in three different roles. I believe it's Lisa, Lara, and Lilac. So yeah, if you want more Yen Dorano, this is the movie for you. And if you want more of me, the God Gamer, the dominant of Viva Max, just go and subscribe to the channel, like this video, and hit that bell icon for more of your bold review dito sa Fridays with Viva Max only on Harriet. So yeah, this is X. Yung kanyang approach is parang L, larawan, liko, lipat. Pero dito sa X, I believe it's ekspresibo, eksperto, eksperimento. But however, unlike L na split siya into three different anthologies distributed every Sunday noong 2022, this one, since Viva Max doesn't do series anymore at this moment, isang compilation film to. So when we say compilation film, it goes to the same degree as First Time, where you have three First Time. Pelikula siya noong 2002, 2003 ata, and it's like different stories na talagang kinumpile into movie. So yeah, let's go first to Expresivo. Expressions. This is about a man, si Felix Rocco, who is a street painter na gala. And I think he has his own house. And pero mukha siyang gala, okay? And I think he earns small kasi he charges too much for his paintings. However, yung kanyang art dito is he could not get through the copium stage where he lost his beloved wife, Lisa. Nilayasan siya ni Lisa but for unknown reasons, and this puts Felix Rocco's painter character into deep depression. So yeah, yung mga paintings na binibenta niya are like masterpieces na galing from him painting Lisa when they were together, and this story takes about the coping mechanism, how Felix Rocco's character is inhaling the copium such that na may isang byuda na bumili sa kanya ng painting and then offered him some segs which he was in desperately need of. So yeah, this is about moving on. This is the one with there is some story into it. So in one instance, na-meet niya si Lisa, who has now a son called RD. And Lisa and Felix Rocco's character catch up sa isang pansitan, and it was known that yung isa sa mga kaibigan ni Felix Rocco nung nagiinuman sila ang nakabuntis dito kay Lisa, the first character played by Yen Dorano. And Lisa, ayaw niya sabihin kay Felix, umalis siya, nilayasan niya si Felix. This comes to the downward spiral of Felix Rocco. Felix realizing sinabi niya kay hindi niya talaga iiwan si Lisa. They had one last segs until Felix was able to move on from Lisa. Two things note, I think having an affair with your customer really destroyed or parang naruin, for the lack of a better term, yung sinasabing loyalty ni Felix dito kay Yen Dorano sa istoryang ito, sa arc na ito. Kasi kung nakipagtalag siya sa ibang babae, di ba, baling wala lang yung loyalty niya. That's like my gripe. But out of the three stories, this is the one that has full substance for me. Ayun. but it is the shortest one. Okay, next stop is we go to Experto, which is I think the longest one. It stars Alvi Casino as Dex. Dito naalala ko yung character, and yeah, Yen Dorano as Lara. So Yen Dorano is Sexy Lara, a content creator na nagpo-focus on adult things. So she streams in her bikini, and yung mga nagiging kliyente niya, nakikipagtalik siya. So she had an affair with this bellboy sa hotel na tinatry siyang itour. She had an affair with this manager that tries to suit her to sponsor his new resort. And she is about to have sex with this with the another content creator that she is trying to collab with. So with Yen, she is more of in an open relationship, but there is one equal factor here, and it's her best friend Dex. So Dex and Yen are living in like a friends with benefits territory, even though Dex has feelings for Lara. Okay? So Dex's feelings with Lara, he transferred it over to other girls, which I also think it really ruins the point of the story kasi ang pinapakita dito is Dex is like really in love with Yen Dorano's character Lara, with Sexy Lara, pero nakikipagtalik siya sa mga nagiging ka-gym niya. So, I don't know. Baka dahil lang sa lust niya kay Lisa. Pero yeah. Ang turning point sa storya na to is Yen did not, or Sexy Lara did not return Dex's advances, which prompts Dex to turn heel on Sexy Lara and expose all the footages that Sexy Lara has with her clients when she is having a one-night stand with them. Ayun. So, it gets on the internet. Sexy Lara's reputation got ruined. However, she managed to have Dex arrested. Yung Dex was however forgiven by Lara because Lara realized that this wouldn't happen if she just returns Dex's feelings and also Dex's concern on being an adult content creator, and Lara moves on from being a conservative content creator moving forward. Yeah, that's the story of Experto. Next one is Experimento. This one has the mid in length, and it also has the least story. So it's about Lilac opening a paper mache shop. She has two assistants, Gabo and Akiyo. Akiyo is played by Audrey Avila. So Akiyo is from Japan and she is trying to learn the culture here. She is Filipina Japanese, I think. And it just happens na nagsiselo si Gabo kasi nagkakaroon ng much more intimacy sa pagitan ni na Lilac sa ni Akiyo. But this all ended with a threesome between Gabo, Lilac, and Akiyo, and the credits. So, in terms of story, ang pinaka substance is Expresivo, followed by Experimento, then followed by Experto, and then Experimento. The movie ends after the threesome, and then they're in a waterfall taking a bath, like they're free or something. Ewan ko. Yeah. And in length, it's from shortest to longest. So it's Expresivo, and then Experimento, and then Experto. This movie is a 2 hours in length, and the stories are directed by 3 directors. One for each, obviously. So, I'm just gonna rank it as a whole instead of ranking one, just like how I treat yung mga Viva Max natin. Viva Max anthologies natin dati. So, where do we rank X? So, for me, Yen Dorano's X is not a hard pass. I think Yen Dorano's X is just about nasa uring ganap. It's like an experiment for me, and I don't think it hits the right note, pero okay naman siya to watch. Yeah. So, based on our schedule sa Viva Max, based on our schedule sa Viva Max, we are going to review Kapalit this coming Friday. This is starring Rica Gonzalez, Ces Garcia, Matt Francisco, and Atina Moran, who is also in this movie. This is your boy God Gamer Harriet telling you goodbye, good night, keep healthy, bang.